Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here on this tutorial. Sometimes your Act layout can go a little crazy when you're using Act Premium for web. In other words, you're using Act in a web browser. I just got a email from a client and a member called, his name is Mike, and he said his Act screen was all messed up. Could I help him? He sent me a screenshot of it. Well, quite often when that happens, it's for the following reason. If you look at Act, there's two sides, or two halves, I should say, the top and the bottom. If I take my pointer and bring it down onto this line right here, this gray line, I get a two-headed arrow. If I click and hold, I can drag this up or down. So in Mike's case, he had dragged it all the way up the screen, or actually not him. Sometimes it can just happen because of the browser sort of resetting. And you'll find when you're working in a browser, depending on which web browser you're using, it could be Firefox or Chrome or even Internet Explorer, you will find that sometimes things like this will happen. So all you have to do is take this little bar right here, click on it, and drag down. Now, one of the reasons that I personally am using Internet Explorer as of this time, and again, it is in the second quarter of 2020, is because I find other browsers, when I come back and open up Act, a lot of times this bar is like set in a weird spot. What I like about Internet Explorer is it seems wherever I set it, when I come back into Act, it's still there. So that's all you got to do. Grab this middle bar and drag it up or down, and you're good to go. Mike, thanks for the tip and the idea for another tutorial. And again, if you're a member, let me know what you want to learn, and I'll create tutorials to make it easier. Thank you very much. Have a great day.